afternoon, children. My name is Bhairav Swami. I'm a maths teacher. So I already you promoted in 5th to 6th class. So I explained maths easily, no problem. Okay, you understand clearly, observe and concentrate in maths easily understood that. Okay, I start the lesson knowing our numbers. Okay, the first exercise 1.1 is already completed and 1.2. So round up the numbers nearest step. Rounding up the numbers. Rounding of the numbers to nearest 10. Rounding up the numbers to nearest 10. So following the numbers, I write and following the numbers 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 9. This is all are following the 80 to 90 numbers. So in these numbers, what is the middle number? Middle number means what is the middle number? This is the 85 is the middle number. 85 is the middle number means what is the 80 to 90? The middle of the number is 85. But what is the meaning? The both distance is same. The 85 middle of the number means 85 90 is what is the distance, and 80 to 85 the distance is both same. Okay. Now I take the number 81. So 81, which is the nearest number? 80 than 90. So the 81 is the nearest number to 80. Suppose we take 82. 82 also the nearest number is 80. Suppose 83. 83 also the nearest number is 80. 84 also the nearest number is 80. But what is the number? Middle number? 85. That is the middle number. So now suppose you take 86. What is the nearest number? 90. You suppose 87. What is the number? Nearest number? 90. What is the 87? The 87 nearest? 90. Okay. So what is the finally meaning? Now 84 above number is all are nearest 90. So 85 below numbers all are nearest 80. So you take the number, first of all you check the number first. Suppose 86, you number take the 86. What is the nearest one? So 85 above, which is the number? The 86, that is the nearest 90. So suppose you realize the doubt, sir, what is the 85? The 85 is the middle of the number. Now which is the nearest 10? Or 80 or 90? That's very good doubt. So 85 is the middle number. That is the nearest 80 or 90 means any number take, but 85 after is 90 only. So 85 any time 85 is the nearest is 90 only. 80 also take no problem. But the 85 next number is 90. So nearest number is 85 then 90. Okay. Next one, the noun rounding of the numbers to nearest 100. So this is the 10. This is the 100. Now I write the number 200, 210. Following the numbers 220, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300. Let us starting 200 to 300. Okay. So in these numbers, in these following the numbers, which is the middle number? Which is the middle number? The 250 is the middle number. Middle number means what? The both distance is same. The 250, 200 to 250 and 250 to 300. Okay. Suppose you take the 210. 210 means which is the nearest number? 200 than 300. So now the nearest 210 is nearest number is 200. 220 also 200. 230 this is 230 and 240. So 230 also nearest 200. 240 also nearest 200. So 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 200. Suppose 260 say what is the nearest 100? 300. So in this place, which is the middle number? 250. The 250 below are all nearest nearest 200, 250 above all, nearest 300. Now first one, any number, this is the middle of the number means what? 50. To take 280. 280 means in the place 280, what is the nearest 100? 300. Okay, all of you understand? Mainly in the opposite nearest 10 means this 85 is the middle of the number. The nearest 100 means 250 is the nearest 100. So nearest 10 means only take 5. 10 means what is the number take? 10 means the middle number what? Nearest 10 means middle number 5. Nearest 100 means middle number what? 50. So the 50 above all are take the nearest 100. The 50 below all are take the below 100. Okay. So now exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. The first round. Round of the exercise 1 point. The first round. Round up the following numbers. Round up the following numbers. Round up the following numbers. Numbers to the nearest tens. To the nearest tens. Nearest tens. Nearest tens. So first sum 450. The second sum 3951. So now 450. So nearest 10 means this number is 5. The 5 in tens means 5 is the 5 above number is the nearest plus 10. 5 below is the nearest 10. This 10. Now 410, 411, 412, 413, 414, 415, 416, 417, 418, 419, 420. So this is the number. The number is the 450. Okay. So this is the middle number. Any number take the 410 also no problem. 420 also. So the 450 to the nearest 10 is 450 to the nearest 10 is nearest 10 is what? 400, 420. 420. So now 3951. 3951 means 3950. The next number is 3951, 3952, 3953, 3954, 3955, 3956, 3957. Write on the doll. Okay. 3958, 3959, 3960. All right on the numbers. All on the numbers. So 3950, 3951, 3952. That I calculate. So what is the number given? 3951. So where is the 3951? This is the 3950. The one less than 5. So what is the nearest number? 3950. So 3951. The nearest 10 is 3950. 3950. Okay. Next sum. Next number 380. 380 means this is also nearest. Nearest term means first one 310, 311, 312, 313, 314, 315, 316, 317, 318, 319, 320. So what is the number in there? 318. 318 means what? This is the 318. The middle of the number is 315. Okay. The 5 after the number 318. So what is the nearest one? Nearest one is 350. So 318 to the nearest ten is 320. Next one. Put some 409. 412. Okay, 412 means what is the number? Next number again, right? 410, 411, 412, 413, 414. So 415, 416, 417, 418, 419, 420. These are all numbers I write on the board. So the 415 is the both distance of the middle of the number. So what is the number is take? 412. 412 means what is the nearest 10 is 410. But 412 to the nearest 10 is what? 410. 410. The next one. So round up the following numbers. To the nearest 100. The nearest 100. So round up the following numbers to the nearest 100. So I write the sums. So the 695. So that is the 695. Nearest 100 means you write first one 610, 620, 630, 640, 650, 660, 670, 680, 690, 700. Okay, so 600 that these numbers are written on the board. Which is the middle of the number? 650. The middle of the number is 650. Now 695. There is a 695. The 600, 790 and 7 between is there. So which is the nearest 100? Which is the nearest 100? 650 above. So the nearest number 695 to the nearest 100 is 700. The nearest 100 is 700. Okay. The next sum. This is the second one. Now this is the 36,152. 36,152. Now in the place 36,100. The next number 36,110. 36,120, 36,130, 36,140, 36,150, and 36,160, and 36,170, 36,180, 36,190, and 36,200. So nearest 100 means 100 or 200. 100 or 200. Suppose there is a 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. 152 means 150 and 160 have the between number, the 152. So now we have the 150 above the number. So what is the nearest 100 is 36,200. Okay, the 36,152 to the nearest 100 is 36,200. Okay, well listen, the 695 means 610, 620, 630, 640, 650, 660, that like right first. What is the number? 695. The 695 means 690 and 700 between numbers there. So which is the greater than the 650 there. So now 650 greater than the 690. So which is the nearest? That is the nearest is the 700. Now another one, the 695 to the nearest 100 is 700. Now another one, 36,152. So 36,152 means which is the number of 50. To take a nearest 100 means take 50. Nearest 10 means take 5. So 50. 50 means the crossing the number 52. 52 means when is 52? 150 and 160 above the number is there. So in between the 150 and 160 the between number 152. So what the nearest 100 is 36,200. Okay. The third one, third sum. 13,648. Okay, so 13,648 means 13,600, 13,610, 13,620, 13,630, 13,640, 13,650, 13,660. Okay, the number 13,670 and 13,680, 13,690, 13,700, 13,700. Okay, so these all are numbers writing the 100 to 600 to 13,700. So what is the number? 13,648. So where is the 648? 648, 650 middle is there. Okay, that is the 13,648. So 650 the below. Which is the nearest 10? 13,600. So 13,648. And we give to the nearest. To the nearest 100 is. To the nearest 100 is 13,600. 13,600. Okay, now 13,648. You write on the numbers first below to 13,600 to 13,700. So now 13,600 multiplied by 610, 620, 630, 640, 640. So what is the number? 13,648 means, so 13,640 and 650, the between number is there. So 648. So 50 below, which is the nearest number? 13,600. Okay. Now round up the following numbers to the nearest 1,000. Nearest 1,000. Nearest 1,000. Nearest 1,000. Nearest 1,000. So now the first sum is 1,000. 3,450. 3,450. So nearest 10 means what to do? Nearest 10 means which number take? 5. Nearest 10 is middle. What is the number? 5. Nearest 100 50. Okay, so nearest 1,000 500. So this is the border of the middle border of the numbers. So nearest 10 is 5, nearest 100 is 50, nearest 1,000 is 500. So 500 below number is this 1,000 is there. If you suppose 3,450, 3,000 and 4,000, you write the numbers. So we find out the nearest 100,000. We find out. Now I write the numbers. 3,000. Next number 3,100, 3,200, 3,300, 3,400, 3,500, 3,600, 3,700, 3,800, 3,900, 4,000. Okay, I write the numbers 3,000 to 4,000. Okay, so what is the middle of the number? 3,500. That is the middle of the both the distance is middle. What is the distance? Both distance middle of the number is 3,500. Now what is the 3,415? Where is 3,415? It is 3,400 and 3,500 between number is there. 3,415. 3,400. So which is the nearest thousand? So 3,500 below that is the number 3. That is the, so we take the nearest thousand is 3,415 to the nearest thousand is 3,000. Why? The 500 below, the 415 is number is 500 below. Suppose 500 above number is 500 above number is that is the 3,000. 4,000, 500 below to 500 below means that is the 3,000. So what is the number? 3,450 means 3,500 below number is there. The 3,415. So the nearest thousand is 3,000. The next sum. 70,124. 70,124. Now we write 70,000. 70,100, 70,200, 70,300, 70,400, 70,500. This is the middle of the number. Okay, 70,600, 70,700, 70,800. 70,900. Rest of the 80,000. Okay, so 1,000. Now 71,000. That is 71,000. So now 70,000, 70,100, 70,200, 70,300, 70,400, 70,500. This is it. Now, so what is the middle of the number? 70,500 is the middle of the number. Now 70,124. Here is the answer between the 70,100 and 70,200. Between the number is 70,124. Okay. So which is the nearest number? 70,500 is the middle of the number. So the nearest is 70,124. Nearest is the 70,000. So 70,124 to the nearest. Thousand is 70,000. 70,000. Okay. Now this is the first. Today I explained that nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1,000. So nearest 10 and nearest 1,000, nearest 100, nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1,000 means again I explain how to take. Suppose nearest 10. Nearest 10 means what is the between number, middle of the number is 5. The nearest 10, the nearest 10 between number is 5. The nearest 100, the between number is 50. The nearest 1,000 between number is 5. That's the middle number. Not between the middle number. The middle number is nearest 10 is 5. The middle number nearest 100 is 50. The middle number 1,000 is 55. So 55 more than is next 10. 50 more than is the next 100. 500 more than is the next 1,000. Okay. So now another one. I give you example. Suppose this is the 79. The 79. You take the 79 in the first number digit. What is the ones digit? Check the ones digit. That is the 9. The 9 means more than 5. So more than 5 means what is the nearest 10? The nearest 10 is 80. Okay. So by the more than 5, the number 9 is more than 5. So nearest 10 is 80. Suppose this is the 265. Nearest 100. I check the nearest 100. The 265 means the 50 above the number 65 is the 50 above. Last two digits stay 65. 65 means the 50 is above the number. So what is the nearest 100? The nearest 100 is 300. 300. Why? Above the two digits. You take the two digits. That you take the number 50. The 50 below or 50 above. The 50 above is 65. The nearest 100 is 300. Suppose the 4,200 to 650. Number. This is the nearest 1000. So you take last three digits. Last three digits. So last three digits which one? This is the 500 below or above. Check that. 650. 500 above, below. 500 above. The number nearest 1000 is 5000. Completed three topics. Okay, nearest 10, nearest 100, so nearest 1000. So today complete next tomorrow I explain the next class, but how to the expanded form of the numbers and short form of the numbers. Okay, thank you children.